Junk Car Willie here with you guys and gals. Either a 35 or 36 Ford pickup we got. Just got the transmission in it. Mostly yard art. Nice cool banjo steering wheel. Or a rat rod. I've seen worse than this be made into a rat rod. Parked right beside this 31 Chevy, which does have a motor in it. Chevrolet. When Model A was doing metal in their framings, Ford, Chevrolet was still doing wood. And the reason was, they bought this huge tree farm just a few years before Ford went metal in their frames, and they wanted to get all their use out of it. 31 Chevy, yeah. Pretty cool. Sorry, my breath, just been walking up hills looking at other stuff. If you guys are interested in these, they're in Danville, Ohio, and they are for sale. Message me and I'll get you a hold of the guy. V8. As always, guys, keep being you.